In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize different columns for each group in Monday.com. Whether you're brand new or already familiar with the platform, this feature can help you stay more organized and make your boards work exactly the way you need. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. For a quick and seamless sign-in experience, use the Google Login option. If you find yourself with multiple Google accounts, be sure to select the correct one to access your specific Monday.com workspace. It's a small detail, but it will save you a lot of hassle later. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open up the board where you want to make these changes. Think of your board as your hub, the control center for your projects and tasks. It's crucial to ensure that you're on the correct board before you start adding new columns, as this will help keep your workspace organized and tidy. With your board open, direct your attention to the right-hand side. You'll notice a plus icon or a button that says Add Column. Go ahead and click on that. From the options presented, select the Status column. This type of column is incredibly useful. It lets you track the progress of your tasks, and the different colors can visually separate the phases of your projects, making it easy to understand at a glance where everything stands. Now here's where the magic happens. One of Monday.com's powerful features is the ability to customize these status columns for each group in your board separately. This means that if you're managing multiple projects within the same board, each group can have its own unique tracking setup. It's tailored to better fit the specific workflow of each project or department. To give you a clearer picture, imagine one group needs statuses like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. Another group, however, might be better suited with the labels Planning, Review, and Finalized. This level of customization makes it easy to keep everything neat and organized without cluttering your board with unnecessary elements. Your board remains clear and focused on what matters most. And that's it. You've learned how to add and customize columns for different groups in Monday.com. This seemingly simple tweak can greatly enhance how structured, efficient, and tailored your boards are to your specific needs and projects. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Monday.com tips and tutorials. See you next time.